So, if you can guess what this job is going to be about, you will win a brand new. Never mind, I don't have anything to give you. If you can guess what this job is, then you're smart. Three, two, one. It's a flooring job. Welcome back to Average Joe's Handyman. So, we'll be looking at this job. We're going to be installing some vinyl flooring. DuraLux 100% waterproof. Hickory oak or something around that. It's brown. It looks like wood. And we're going to put it on the floor in this rent building that's going to be one of those health juice bar places where they serve up smoothies so you can live a happier, healthier life. So as you can see, we got started here on the first row the first day. I put a couple rows down. No big deal. This stuff's easy. It's just like you do laminate floors. If you've ever watched that before or know anything about that, you'll know it just pops in to one to the other. And you just work your way back and forth, staggering the joints, and then you want to make your cuts on the ends. And just keep making sure you stagger. Now, we did end up with this kind that has a padding insulation, sort of a moisture barrier on the bottom already. So it's a little higher quality, I guess. So it's not required to have a moisture barrier below, but the customer requested we go ahead and put some felt down just to have a little something in between the concrete and the actual flooring. So it's very easy to cut. All you need is a little utility knife and a square that looks like a triangle. It's actually a speed square. Put your square where you want to cut, get your razor, scribe the line, then you just pick it up, bend it, pop it, cut the backside. You don't need no saw, you don't need electricity or anything. All you need is a couple of little hand tools. So the only other thing you need to figure out after that is which way you're going to run it, and we've already established that. So now here we are, about a little ways through day one. And we've got about 75% of this front room done. We're going to be doing this back room as well. So it's going good. Worst thing about doing stuff like this is make sure you got something to put your knees on, and make sure you sit on that ice pack when you get home after your back being sore after all day, after bending over up and down. Other than that, it's a fairly simple installation. I've just been putting the felt down and just rocking and rolling. So, if you got any questions or comments, just leave them down there, and I will get back with you. Otherwise, I'll just leave you with the remainder of the video and maybe a little music. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Adios.